What is the problem between you both, man? Everything was going fine, right? Who is that Surya? From where did he come?
He didn't crop up out of nowhere. He was always with her right from the beginning. Look, that is him. Here, that is Surya. Model, it seems.
Saree is very beautiful.
Even you.
Yeah. Everything is very beautiful.
Thanks, bro.
Why does a saree require a wedding chain?
Yeah, it's all like that only. Bro, how many girls have you tried not with? He's feeling shy.
Hey, Surya, you must try this.
No, yaar. No.
Just try once. Have no. Come. Sit down.
Kriti, come here. Sit. Come. What, bro? Full of busy work, no? Huh? Had your food today? Shall we share it now?
Come, Joe, let's eat. I'll put it for you guys.
Hey,
Uh,
awesome. The ad of yours yesterday only I saw. Oh my god. I'll tell you what a beautiful structure you are.
Surya,
I didn't
stop
control
it.
myself.
Surya.
Dude, I'll wait outside. You can come.
Sorry, okay. I just wanted to ask, how was your internals?
Hey, it's been so long, right?
Hi.
Hi.
By the way, I saw your new ad. You and Surya, unbelievable, yeah. Amazing pair.
Where is Surya?
Surya.
Nowadays you are not going out without Surya,
Hey.
huh? Is he your brother, huh? Ma'am, the shot is ready.
1 second. Hi, Ju. I'm at
Hey,
the
it's
shoot,
getting
Ju.
late.
When will you be done?
It might get over by
Don't have much
midnight.
time, man.
Fine, I'll come and pick you up.
No. You carry on. I'll ask Surya to drop me.
Surya doesn't have to drop you.
Okay, Ju. I have to go. Bye.
Hello? Damn! I'm not such a low life. Why should I go through someone else's profile? It's my girlfriend, right? She will listen to me. I'm not here to fight. I'm here to talk and convince her. I was pacifying myself. Can't take this anymore. Shit. How can I not get angry beyond this?
Ju. Surya waved at you, but you didn't even respond?
I didn't.
Okay. Where are we going?
Kriti.
Huh?
Are you serious about it? This modeling and everything about it?
Why? It's going good only, no, Ju?
No, not like that. You can do something else, something more creative and interesting. Don't you feel awkward about it?
What is awkward?
No, I didn't mean it in a wrong way. Why do you have to struggle so much? Late night shoots, without proper sleep, working with strangers, and moving around with them.
Ask me directly. Are you doubting on me, Ju?
How can I say that I have doubts? But it's the fear of her leaving me. It can be possessiveness too. Can also say it's love.
Okay, chuck it. I've got something for you. Open it, no? I was worried that you'll only buy it. I wanted to gift you this from my salary. Is color okay for you? Huggy? I don't want anybody. I just want you to be by my side. Is he the problem for you? I told you that day only. He's just my friend, Ju. Hear him. Go on.
Hello, Kriti. Hello? See, I don't know how to make you understand. Now I'm feeling very angry now. After I live here with him. What kind of man he is? You know what is happening between us, you know? I love you, darling.
Ju. Arjun, I've not done anything wrong.
Don't say a word. It's very irritating to hear your voice.
I know Surya from my school time. I was just being friendly with him. I did not expect that he would propose to me.
I seriously don't understand the logic. You guys will go around with a guy, will speak to him very well, you'll tease him to the core, but when they come and propose, how is it fair to say that you didn't expect it? If you guys continue like this, anyone will think it's love and will definitely propose.
Arjun, I am not responsible for that. I have told him that I'm in love with you. He told we can be friends.
So he said, let's be friends. Okay. So, whatever happens between you guys, you'll consider it friendship, isn't it?
Arjun, you're losing it. You're being very cheap.
Hey, I'm a cheap guy. If decency is staying silent looking at everything, then I'm not a decent guy. I'm a cheap guy. I should have thought about it earlier. Just like your mother, even you can't stay loyal, isn't it?
Arjun, this is over. You know I can't take a breakup. You know I can't stay without talking to you. But I'm telling now, I don't want to hate you. The memories that I've got from you in these 2 years shouldn't get spoiled because of this day. No matter what happens, even if you change your mind, I won't come back to you, Arjun. Bye.
Kriti! Don't think I'll come behind kneeling down and apologizing. I don't give a damn about you.